everybody, White D586 here. There is the date and time. I know you can barely see it, but anyways, we are in front of room 756, and I will show you the date and time off my phone. If I can. There it is. Friday, July 31st. So, we're in room 756, 1 year later. Same place, and yeah. I got the key card this time. Little green light. It's gonna go off. There it goes. When you come in, you are greeted with your emergency exit plan. There is the room key. Set it on the bed. There's the things. I'm gonna turn off this TV because I don't want to get a copyright strike for this. I don't know what my parents were watching in here last. Okay, it's off now. It's a Sanyo. Different TVs than last year, I'm pretty sure. DVD player. Sorry, the room is a mess. AC unit. Focus. It'll go. It just won't go. There's some stuff. You can get a view out the window. Come on, focus, darn it. Okay, there it goes. Right there. Yep. Over here is your standard hotel phone. Tells you stuff, info, stuff like that. Closet. You got your freezer. Your standard fridge. And you are greeted with this very nice kitchen. Looks like coffee pots being used. So, go ahead and cut on this light. There's the light. Also get focus. Fire sprinkler. Sink. Very nice cabinets. Fridge. Pretty nice. You got your microwave and your oven and more cabinets above it. Here's some more cabinets. Oh, that one doesn't open. Go to the bathroom. Yeah. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hey! Bathroom stuff. Bathroom.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video.
Can I use the bathroom first?
No, you can't.
Wow.
So, there is your, what do they call it? Drainer. It doesn't really work that good. Hair dryer. Cloth. Very nice shower curtain. Go ahead and move this over so we can see the shower. Towels on the floor so the floor doesn't get all wet. One thing I hate about this camera, it doesn't have that good of a focus on it. But yeah, let's go ahead and review that. If it'll go. Sprint Blackberry Curve, 8330. 209, Friday, July 31st. Yeah. There's the toilet. It is a Mansfield. Sorry, I do have a bit of a cold. Fan. The light doesn't work. Okay, we're about done with the tour in here. Let's go and shut this off. Bathroom's all yours.
You know what, Parker?
Stuff over
Who
here.
needs a boyfriend when I got a brother like you?
Stuff in this room. TV. There's the couch. And a little chair over here. Bag fan on it. God dang it. There's a bed. It does pull out from the wall. Dirty clothes. Please excuse that. I will get a copyright strike. I am very sorry.
Vicky and I broke up because he decided to be a foreign exchange student. Again, since then we haven't really seen each other much, but I mean, we're still great friends.
Outdoor balcony.
Conversation just kind of flows like it used to.
Yep. We're going to go outside the room and end this video. Outside this room. Pop this open. There we go. And that's it. And sorry for some of the language in this video. My brother's being kind of weird, but yeah. Anyways, that is it.